Hello everyone. This video will guide you on how to view your graphics card model on Windows 11. It is quite easy to view the graphics card model on Windows 11. For that, first, open the Settings app by pressing Windows + I keys from the keyboard or any other method. Then, click the System category in the left side pane. On the right sidebar, click the Display tab. Here, scroll down to the bottom and click the Advanced Display option under the Related Settings section. Under the Display Information section, you can see your graphics card model mentioned. If you want to know about your graphics card, click on the link labeled Display Adapter Properties for display. When you're done, a new pop-up window will open and display the graphics adapter type. Here, you can also find several other pieces of information, including chip type, total available graphics memory, dedicated video memory, system video memory, shared system memory, etc. That's it. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.